thrill seekers pursue it. Extreme sportsman. The more clear the
Give me my cereal. Give me my cereal.
Reaches into the tens of thousands and stretches
Hey, can I have my cereal? Can I have my cereal back? Give me my cereal. That's my cereal. All this for me. Let me see. Hey, give it. Give me my cereal. Where you going with my cereal? What you doing with my cereal? Can I have my cereal? Can I have my cereal, please? Give me that. Give me my. Hey, give me. I'm gonna take it out. Give me my cereal back. Give me my cereal. Give me my cereal. Give me my cereal back. Yum 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 yum. That's for me. This for me. That's for me. Let me see. This one for me. This one is mine. I want this one. This is mine. Okay. Let me put. This one. This one. This is mine. Don't touch it. Okay. Look at your little beard. I like your little beard. That was your little Billy Goat beard. That was cute. That was cute. You had your little Billy Goat beard going. You gonna do a little stash, a little fireman stash too? You get the little wrinkles right here. Get you some little boots. Wait. You reach for my camera now too? And my cereal? My cereal and my camera? Wait, you can't have both. You can have one, okay? Wait, give me my A's. I want all my A's. I want some U's, okay? I want an A, okay? Give me this V, okay? And I'll take this something, cause you bit it. You ate it up. You ate it all up. Why your cheeks all red? Why your cheeks all red, doggy? Huh? Hey. Where you going with all my cereal? That's what I want to know. You know you can't eat my cereal. My cereal, okay? Huh?